When tackling most counting questions, you should ask yourself the question, does order matter? For example, in this question, is this password considered the same as this password? Well, even though they both have the same digits, these two passwords are not considered the same. In other words, order matters here. Now, when order matters, we are dealing with a permutation question. For this question, we're going to find the total number of 9-digit passwords and the total number of 10-digit passwords and then add these together. So let's begin. We're going to break the task of selecting a 9-digit password into stages. The first stage will be to select the first number, the second stage, the second number, and so on. So in how many ways can we select our first number? Well, we have 10 digits to choose from, so we can accomplish this stage in 10 ways. In how many ways can we select our second digit? Well, keep in mind that we are not allowed to repeat digits. So once we've selected our first digit, we only have 9 ways to accomplish the task of selecting our second digit. Once we've selected the second digit, there are only 8 ways to accomplish the task of selecting our third digit, and so on. So the total number of ways of selecting all of our digits will be equal to the product of the number of ways we can accomplish each stage. This is equal to 10 factorial. If we're using permutation notation, this is the same as 10p9. We can tackle our 10-digit passwords in the same manner. There are 10 ways to choose our first digit, 9 ways to choose our second digit, and so on. So the total number of ways of accomplishing all 10 of these stages will be the product of each individual stage, or 10 factorial. In permutation notation, this is the same as 10p10. So the total number of ways of selecting a 9-digit password or a 10-digit password will be equal to 10 factorial plus 10 factorial, which is equal to 2 times 10 factorial, which is the same as b.